everyone, thanks so much for joining me. I have a fun unboxing slash unbagging from my subscription box that I get from Patchwork Parcel, and I want to share that with you today. So I went ahead and I did cut the bag open so you didn't have to watch me struggle with that. And I'll tell you, sometimes that is a struggle, I'm being honest. I love how when they send you these subscription boxes slash bags, they have your items in this cute little bag that I'm sure that they sewed. But they're super cute, they're reusable, and you can use them for a lot of things. So that, that's like a freebie thrown in, and I enjoy that. They take the extra time to put a little extra love into the monthly subscription. So let's go ahead and see what they have. So again, this is from Patchwork Parcel. It's a monthly quilting surprise. So it does say that feel free to share your project on Patchwork Parcel's Facebook page. What's in the bag? So we have this month's fabric bundle features gorgeous floral and fruit prints from the A Bountiful Life collection by Marywood Studio. And there's also a blog that you can go to where there are quilting tips and a tutorial. And this says, Happy Quilting from Elaine. And if you like getting subscription boxes or bags and in the mail, if you enjoy quilting or sewing, or if you're new to it like me, this is a great way to build up a stash of some fun fabric. It's really affordable to do, and I would really definitely recommend Patchwork Parcel for you to partake in. And they have different subscription packages. One is for like a larger quilting one. This is a smaller one, and I can't off the top of my head tell you how much it cost, but it's affordable. Otherwise, I wouldn't be subscribed to them. So here's the fabric that they sent this month, but let's check out. They always send you a fun pattern. So if you're new to this or you need new ideas, they do supply this fun pattern. So let's check that out, and then we'll go to the fabric next. So French Roses, it says, this is a really fun project, good for beginners and advanced quilters alike. Purchase all new fabric, simplest requirements listed. Excuse me, use up scraps or combine the two, as I did in the quilt in the photo. The results are stunning, and you're sure to get awesome feedback from friends and family on just how talented you are. So they do recommend reading all the directions before starting. So the quilt size is approximately 57 by 57 after quilting, binding, washing, and drying in a hot dryer several times. Yardage requirements are generous and based on 42 inches wide, 100% cotton fabric unless stated otherwise. So they do tell you how much you do need to create this fun project. And here it is here. I won't go too close so you can see. It's kind of hard to see, but it's looks like to me like layered roses, and it looks like they're just kind of cut out and appliqued one on top of the other. So that's fun. So let's check out the directions. Okay, so here's your pattern. Now, if you have an electronic cutting machine like a scan and cut, this would be very easy to create, because all you have to do is put this through your scan and cut. It will scan it, and then you can just go ahead, lay your fabric on the cutting sheet and feed it through your scan and cut, and it will automatically cut all these out for you. So they do recommend to trace and cut out plastic templates by tracing over the patterns on this page. So that's another way if you don't have an electronic cutting machine. But look how large it is. It's pretty large. It's 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and it shows you all the different sizes, and that's pretty much what I thought it was roses that you cut out. And a lot of directions. And this folds all the way out like this. So they do give you a cutting diagram, so that's great. And lots of reading, lots of directions. So I'm sure though maybe they would have a video on their website is to show you how to put this together, but it's probably not that hard. It's just a lot of cutting and piecework for that. So that was something fun. I don't know. They say that's beginner, but I don't know. It doesn't look beginner to me. So anyhow, let's look at the fabric that they sent. And I think I get half a yard. I believe it's half a yard in the kit that I subscribe to. But look at how pretty this is. This is like beautiful fabric. Yeah, because this is more than a fat quarter. So it's probably half a yard. So you can do a lot of projects with this. Now, you don't have to do the project that they recommend on there. You can do what you want to do. It's your fabric. And this is real pretty. I like how they go through all the trouble. Not that it's trouble, but for me, sometimes it's hard to know, like, well, what goes with what and what would look wonderful with what. And they do all the work for you. Here's a cute little, reminds me of like buttercup background with some little flowers on there. That's really nice. And look how well they go together. And look at this one. This is really striking. This is real pretty with these cherries. And look at how nice they go together. So whether I decide to give this a try, which I don't know, it's kind of, I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone with that. But I have lots of other patterns from other things that they've sent me, along with other subscription boxes, or you know, there's always YouTube you can go on to find a lot of fun people sharing a lot of great ideas. So anyhow, this is the monthly Patchwork Parcel, and I'm assuming this is the July one. Yeah, because it's still July. I had to think for a moment, but it's still July. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, go ahead over to their channel and check them out at Patchwork Parcel, and you know, see what kind of subscription box they may have for you to check out. Give it a try, see if you like it. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. And be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so that I can continue to keep making videos for you and sharing all the fun things that I have created and I receive, and just everything that I do. Alright everyone, have a great day, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.